Hello, my name is Artur. English is not my first language, so I prepared this English narration and added subtitles to make the presentation clear and easy to follow. I created ARI-REST because I am a former restaurateur. I used many restaurant management systems, but I could never find one product that covered the real needs of a restaurant. I had wanted for a long time to create something more complete, flexible, and practical. My first experiment began from an empty code base around April 24, 2026, using the free version of Gemini. On May 22nd, before I knew about the Gemini XPRIZE, I decided to turn that experiment into a real product. The current ARI-REST project began on May 23rd. ARI-REST was developed together with 8 active restaurateurs from different food service formats. We worked inside their venues, observed real daily operations, and adapted the product to each important step. We also interviewed restaurant guests to understand what they wanted from the customer experience. This is why ARI-REST can serve a family restaurant, a large chain, a food truck, a canteen, or a centralized production kitchen. Guests can scan a QR menu, call a waiter, and prepare their own order. The system records which guests selected each item and supports precise modifiers, for example, one dish without onions and another without spicy sauce. This makes communication faster and reduces service errors. For restaurants, our Transformer POS works in 3 modes: a simple menu, multiple menus, or a full dining room view. Orders can be routed correctly to different kitchen production stations. Our kitchen reality layer goes much deeper than ordinary inventory. It tracks ingredients in warehouses and individual refrigerators, as well as prepared components, finished dishes, and ready portions. The system can show what physically exists, where it is located, and what it is worth, using either weighted average or latest purchase costing. The product also includes hands-free voice workflows for waiters and cooks. Speech input can create an order draft that remains visible for human review and confirmation. ARI Marketer is designed to help restaurants prepare marketing content and communicate with customers. We have now connected Gemini through Vertex AI as the reasoning layer for ARI-REST. It is designed to analyze structured restaurant context and propose practical actions. ARI-REST remains responsible for permissions, business rules, human approval, and audit history. The integration has passed real Google Vertex tests. Gemini 2.5 Flash returned a successful response, Gemini 2.5 Flash Image generated an image, and VO 3.1 created a video. ARI-REST also includes a flexible loyalty builder and restaurant cards that guests can save to their digital wallets. We did not reject the proven technologies already used by the restaurant industry. We combined them with the missing operational functions that restaurateurs and guests asked for. Most restaurant systems know what was sold. ARI-REST understands how the restaurant is operating and gives Gemini the context to help manage what happens next.